Hey, this is Mike Senn, and I'm going to get rid of a Mud Dauber stain. You know, those bugs that fly around and put a big old mud house on your stucco or your brick or whatever you've got, and that stuff is impossible to remove. Pressure wash it, bleach, all kinds of stuff. I was thinking I tried everything, but that stain, oh, I'm looking at doing this backwards. That stain right there, along with some other stains out on my back porch in the stucco area, have been there for years. There's what's remaining. Another spot over there. And that one, I swear, that's been there for about 5 years. Every time I pressure wash out here, nothing. Nothing at all. And you can see where all these damn dirt dauber stains are. They're horrible, or mud daubers. It's terrible. I used this to remove some stains from spiders back when we had a whole bunch of bugs that the spiders were eating. They pooped all over the boat, and that stain does not come out unless you use this. This is what you got to use to remove mud dauber houses that are otherwise impossible to get rid of. Okay, so try this with bleach, Fabuloso, grease remover, it doesn't matter. I tried it last night. Oh, you son of a bitch, watch you don't work. I'll kill you. Oh, well, a little more pressure on there. I'll just scrub that one. Let's see what it does on this one. And I hit this with the pressure washer, and it doesn't even get that much of the mud to come off. Wow. All right. All right. Ooh, that's quite a bit of this one. Getting a fuller boil might get a stronger squirt, a little stiffer stream. Oh wow, man, that's it. It's at the bottom of the bottle, the last one. A little more pressure hitting it. Oh wow, this has been such an eyesore for so long. Stand back a little further, not getting as good of a stream, but yeah, there's hope. There's definitely hope.